Welcome back to Starcon International, your trusted guide for breaking down businesses and financial insights in simple language. In today's video, we're diving deep into Aditya Birla Capital Limited, a financial powerhouse that's quietly building India's future. Before we begin, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. This is not a stock recommendation. Always do your own research or consult with a financial advisor before making investment decisions. Aditya Birla Capital Limited, or ABCL, is part of the prestigious Aditya Birla Group. Established in 2007, it acts as the financial services arm of the group. From humble beginnings, it has grown into a giant offering everything from loans and insurance to asset management and mutual funds. Leadership matters, and ABCL is headed by Vishakha Mulye, an industry veteran with rich experience from ICICI. She's supported by experts like CFO Pinky Mehta and ex-bankers like Romesh Sabti. Solid leadership, solid backing. Think of ABCL as a one-stop shop for all things money. NBFC business, loans to small businesses and individuals. HFC business, home loans for families. Mutual funds, they manage people's investments in the stock market. Insurance, life and health coverage. Safety nets, they earn through interest on loans, fund management fees, and insurance premiums. They spend mainly on borrowing money, interest costs, operational expenses, and technology investments. It's like a money supermarket, and yes, even a 15-year-old can understand how they earn. Diversified business model. They don't rely on just one product. Strong parentage. Aditya Birla brand means trust, cross-selling power. Sell loans, insurance, and investments to the same customer. High entry barrier. Financial services require scale, trust, and capital. ABCL isn't sitting still. In loans, they're focusing more on secured business loans instead of risky personal loans. Home loan business, HFC, is booming, with monthly disbursements crossing 1,500 crore rupees. Mutual funds and insurance arms are growing faster than the industry. New bank tie-ups like Axis and IDFC First are boosting distribution. With India's middle class rising and financial inclusion growing, ABCL is in a sweet spot. Let's look at some Q3 FY25 highlights. Revenue 10,949 crore rupees, 10% year-on-year growth. Profit after tax 708 crore rupees. NBFC AUM 1,19,000 crore rupees, 21% growth. HFC loan book 26,714 crore rupees, 62% growth. Asset quality improving, less bad loans and better risk control. They're managing risks smartly, reducing unsecured lending and focusing on quality customers. Looking at valuation PE ratio around 22 times, PB ratio approximately 2.4 times. Compared to industry standards, ABCL appears fairly priced, not too hot, not too cold, balanced. PRA's diversified financial services, digital and data-first strategy, strong brand and governance, focused risk management. Cons, macroeconomic sensitivity, like interest rates and inflation, regulatory uncertainty, competition in all segments. Here's where things get interesting. Based on conservative estimates, ABCL could look like this by fiscal year 30, revenue 80,000 crore rupees. Net profit 6,200 crore rupees. EPS 24.5. AUM 5.3 lakh crore rupees. This assumes steady growth, controlled risk and smart execution, all of which ABCL is working toward. So, is Aditya Birla Capital Limited a stock to watch? Definitely. Is this a recommendation to buy? No. But is it a business worth understanding deeply? Absolutely. If you found value in this breakdown, give this video a like, share it with your friends, and hit subscribe to keep getting honest, simplified business insights from Starcon International. Drop a comment if you want us to analyze any other company next.